Hello children, welcome to class 1 mathematics and today's topic is subtraction up to 20. Subtraction means take away, decrease, minus, less, take, left, fewer, subtract, how many more, difference. For example, 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. 9 is known as minuend, 2 is called as subtrahend, and 7 is difference. This is a sign of minus sign and this is a sign of equal to sign. Let's see some more examples. There are 5 balls and 2 balls are removed. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 balls. So the remaining balls are 3. Now look at this picture. There are 6 apples and 2 are eaten. So remaining apples are 4. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Now let's have some more fun with maths. 6 minus 5. There are 6 circles. We cross 5 and we get 1 circle. So the answer is 1. Now see this example. 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. 15 minus 2 is equal to 13. Now look at this example. There are 17 cubes and we cross 3 cubes. So 14 cubes are remaining. 17 minus 3 is equal to 14. Now look at this example. There are 13 strawberries and 8 strawberries are crossed. So remaining strawberries are 5. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Subtraction means, once again I would like to tell, how many are left, take away, find the difference, less than, the sign is minus. Now look at this, there are 7 apples and 4 apples are crossed. So remaining apples are 3. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Now here there are 8 toffees. 4 toffees are crossed. So remaining toffees are 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Subtracting a 1-digit number from a 2-digit number. Let's see. Example 13 minus 5. 13 is a 2-digit number. 13 crayons can be shown as 1 tens and 3 ones. To subtract 5 crayons, cross out from the ones first, then crossed from the tens. So 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. Now look at this picture. There are 15 tomatoes and 6 tomatoes are crossed. So 9 tomatoes are remaining. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Now here is another example. There are 12 flower pots and 5 are crossed. So remaining pots are 7. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Now we will learn subtraction by drawing lines. So draw lines and subtract by crossing out. 16 minus 5. We will draw 16 lines and we will cross 5 lines. So the remaining lines are 11. 16 minus 5 is equal to 11. Now we will see another example. 14 minus 4. So we will draw 14 lines and cross 4 lines. So here we get the answer 10. There are 10 lines left. 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. Subtraction by counting backward on the number line. Example, 17 minus 6 is equal to 11. Start at 17 and count back at 6. The number you reach is the answer. Here is the number line from 0 to 20. We start from 17 and count 6 backward. You reach at 11. So 17 minus 6 is 11. Subtraction on the number line. Now here is the number line from 0 to 20. 12 minus 2. We start from 12 and count 2 backward. So we get the answer 10. 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. Subtract by counting backward. 14 minus 2. So the answer is 12. 18 minus 3. So count 3 backward from 18. So we get the answer 15. 18 minus 3 is equal to 15. 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. We start from 11 and count backward 1. So the answer is 10. 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. Let's move on to the skill section. Mental maths. Observe and subtract quickly. 13 minus 3 is equal to 10. 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. 18 minus 0 is equal to 18. 12 minus 0 is 12. 15 minus 0 is 15. 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. 19 minus 1 is equal to 18. 17 minus 1 is equal to 16. 11 minus 11 is equal to 0. 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. So these are the sum skill section. You just have to observe and subtract quickly. Now we move on to the story sums. Solve the story sums. There are 18 books on a shelf. Sita took 7 books. How many books are left on the shelf? 18 minus 7 is equal to 11. Now let's see some more story sums. 16 children are playing a game. 7 are boys. How many are girls? So 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. You just have to count backward. 16 minus 7 is 9. Now the next example. There are 20 birds on a tree. 9 flew away. How many birds are left on the tree? So 20 birds on a tree minus 9, that is they flew away. So how many are remaining? How many are left? So 20 minus 9 is 11. You just have to count backward. 9. Decide whether to add or subtract. Look at these pictures. The first picture. 4 birds on a tree. 3 more birds come flying in. How many birds on the tree now? 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Now look at this side picture. 7 birds on a tree. 3 birds fly away. How many birds on the tree now? 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Now look at this picture. There are 8 kites flying in the sky. 4 kites fly away. How many kites left? You have to decide whether you have to add or subtract. The word left means you have to subtract. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Now look at this example. There are 6 balloons in one hand, 5 balloons in the other hand. How many balloons in all? You have to decide whether you have to add or subtract. The word all means, in all means, you have to add. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Higher order thinking skills. Now look at this picture. Now 12 minus 3, you get the answer 9. But if you add 3 to 9, 3 plus 9, you get the answer 12. 12 minus 3, you get the answer 9. But if you add 9 plus 3, you get 12. Observe. If 8 plus 5 is equal to 13, then 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. And 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. So, 5, 8 and 13 make a number family. Now look at this. If 9 plus 6 is 15, what if 15 minus 9? So the answer will be 6. 15 minus 6, you get 9. So here number 9, 6 and 15 make a number family. Now if 17 minus 6 is 15, what if 11 plus 6? So the answer is 17. And 17 is minus 11, you get 6. So here number 6, 15 and 17 make a number family. Thank you so much, and I hope you all enjoyed learning subtraction.